allocation of the sum of 10 million.
Trying to overpower now. You see a number of majority MPs now still coming to help the marshals of the House to push in the minority. More majority MPs are now coming to push back the minority to occupy their seats now.
Until Kpandai is resolved, government business will suffer. Get away. Get it clear. Get it clear. Until Kpandai, I put it to you that until Kpandai is resolved, government business is going to suffer. And from henceforth, you keep telling us you have 189, 185, and then 4 independent members. Go and marshal your numbers and come and do your business. Until Kpandai is resolved, we on this side will not cooperate. We are saying it again, we will not cooperate with you. And nobody is going anywhere. But we are not moving. We are not going anywhere. And so, Speaker, we have made that point, and we will continue to make this point.
Edamunye na asese da amoka ye homedi na nanomsem edebremo na watwe anase enrada na yenya ne nte se eye parliament enkrata efri aban bebia yeto aba na sa abato komisa aso ye ba ne se abaye to no afrase ni mu no na efam na chebedwamu ne omampanyi obedi wo man eso no abato no ekọ na wie ne hunsunsanso ba bonten no de ne ye twe ho manso anase e wokota no mo twe ho manso a wo mo ye mu hwehwemu a e ho nsam so egusu wo abato komisa no na Kpandai eka ho enu nti ebe na nsanie ne ho nsem beto ma chebedwamu a omo bobo ho enu ada no omo si ho sebi omo egitu mu a omo hye se nam ne ma hodo ekoso na afenso nkrata semo a abato komisa da beto manimu ne de na kire se aye Kpandai aba no e wo se esa koto no foforo se de be ya ombenya mra chebedwani a oba begina mu de ama ade hia wo mo wo ho no na tesese no aban ni bae no afemu nie omo enyanya ye Kpandai anamusini a woje o manamu aka o mo haw ede akere aban no e wo mrahebedwam enu nje ban hye ne ba bonten no na mrahebedwam no mo tena se no mabubu ho sede ya na o mo ye no no dom kuma o mo mrahebedwafie mu no wo mo ka o masem yo mo ka o masem wie no ena se bi o mo de ye kere ede to aso e wazan ko mo tena se mpo na ko mo tie efa no so de no wo mo anye ena o mo de basabasa ye de ebe mu o mo so refri mu nenso so no kwasam nse na basabasa ye ne koso no nyina no so na speaker of parliament I won manual for aban kings from smani bagben no ne de wone domna aka no e wo mu ano mo e proceed aye adwuma no sede be ya abato ne betimi akoso na adesio so mo Kpandai no mo so aba beka sebi eye parliament house ho na no ena nkra enso so de free na nanu matena nkonya wo mo wo kro ne so de aba bontense wo mo do mo atwaye mu wo mo twen anhyehye bi aba ne de begu akwam bia no wonum se yo mu yi hedi nti eno nti ahomwa bia ne eniema bia ne mwa bia e wo se na nanu matena nkonya enso so e de boa electoral commission ene abamu mpanyufo ene wonwo a sebi omo ba bebo nto ame ato abamu mo be kire MPP ni NDC no omo de omo ye radio mo twen do mo hia ne se ombenyo ma na museni ha oba ha kwagina mu e de amawo mo e wo mamu mra chebedwafie mu eno nti omo ye nsamtwofo nhye mu na sei ena nananom atena kunya omo e de to adehye ene aban no animu.
A press release from the chiefs and sub-chiefs of Kpandai and its surrounding areas. We, the chiefs of Kpandai, together with our elders and fellow sub-chiefs, wish to address the ongoing dispute concerning the parliamentary seat of Kpandai constituency. We acknowledge the recent decision by the High Court ordering for a rerun in the constituency and the notification of the Parliament to the Electoral Commission declaring the seat of Kpandai constituency vacant. We also acknowledge and recognize that an appeal is currently underway and the matter remains before the courts. As custodians of peace and tradition in our community, we urge all stakeholders, including political parties, traditional leaders, the general public, and the youth in particular, to respect the judicial process and allow the courts to determine the final outcome without any interference. We emphasize the importance of maintaining peace, unity, and stability in our constituency during this sensitive period. We discourage any action or statements that may escalate tension or undermine the rule of law. All we want and expect from the elected representatives is peace and development. Our people deserve leadership that prioritizes progress, harmony, and the well-being of the community above all else. We call upon all parties to exercise patience and restraint and to work together in the spirit of dialogue and mutual respect while the legal process unfolds. Our commitment remains to uphold justice, peace, and the prosperity of our people. We thank you so much. The chieftaincy institution remains politically neutral. That is what we are chanting. We don't want to follow any person. After all, the state is the bigger one. The constitution is bigger. Who are we to challenge the processes of the court? We can't.
Na kyerɛ sɛ nananom nyinaa abo ɔmo ho ɔmo twɛn ɛno nti yɛ twɛn sɛ amanyɔfoɔ no nso bɛhyɛ da na electoral commission bɛhyɛ da na yɛhu da by election nso ɛbɛkɔ so yɛsrɛ sɛ biribi abɛyɛ asomdwe mɛsan sɛ nananom ahyɛ yɛbɔ sɛ deɛ ɔmo hia ɛyɛ asomdwe deɛ ɔmo hia no nso sɛ ɔmo bɛnya ɔmo anamusini ɛwɔ ɛyɛ parliament house kase medie ne yɛ maame Fozia otwe dɛ mpo Nyankopɔn yɛ adoma yɛbɛhyia makram